Stop choosing affiliate products based only on commissions. Here's my simple checklist instead. If you're a beginner or a busy mom trying to get started with affiliate marketing without feeling salesy or overwhelmed, this video is definitely for you. How to pick your first affiliate product without feeling icky, without feeling like some sort of, what do you call those guys, those salesmen, those snake oil salesmen, something along those lines. Just, again, authentic without feeling authentic and weird. All right, so first things first, stop chasing commissions first. When beginners first enter affiliate marketing, it's really easy to get distracted by high commissions, flashy dashboards, income screenshots, and people screaming, you can make $500 per sale. And yes, commission matters. But if the product feels scammy, feels confusing, or doesn't align with your audience, you're going to struggle promoting it consistently because eventually people can feel when you're only posting for money. That's why I think beginners should focus on trust, alignment second, and then commissions third, because trust compounds long term. And especially in beginner niches, people buy from creators who feel relatable and genuine. So next we're going to jump into my first checklist question. Does this product solve a real problem I've had? This is my biggest filter now. If I've personally struggled with overwhelm, organization, content planning, email marketing, building a website, and balancing a business with real life, and a tool genuinely helped simplify that process for me, that's easier to talk about naturally. For example, I used MailerLite because I needed email marketing, landing pages, blogging, and a website hosting without paying for 15 different platforms. That solved a real beginner problem for me. Keeping it simple. So now when I mention it in content, it feels natural instead of forced. That matters because affiliate marketing works best when it feels like, hey, this genuinely helped me, not please click my link. All right, number 2, have I used it myself or seen trusted reviews? I think beginners feel pressure to promote everything immediately, but personally, I'm becoming way more selective now because your audience trusts you. And once trust breaks, that's hard to rebuild. So before promoting something, I ask, have I personally used this? Or have I researched it deeply? Or do I trust the people recommending it? And I don't mean fake hype reviews either. I mean real experiences, actual walkthroughs, real pros and cons, people showing the back end, people explaining who the product is actually for. That's important because not every product is good for every audience. Number 3, is there already search demand for this? This part changed the way I think about affiliate marketing. Because a lot of beginners try to force interest around random products nobody even researches for. So instead, I now look for existing demand. One easy way to check this is using Google Trends. So for me, I use MailerLite, Canva, Notion, StanStore. People are already searching for these tools. That means the tutorials work, the blogs work, the comparison videos, and the beginner reviews, all of that worked. Because you're stepping into an existing conversation, not trying to create demand from scratch. This is especially important for smaller creators because you do not need millions of followers if you're creating searchable content around products people already want information about. That's a huge mind shift. Question 4, is the affiliate support actually good? Is there support? Nobody talks about that enough. Some affiliate programs never respond. Then they provide terrible dashboards. They give you no marketing material, or the payout can be very confusing. And in some cases, I've heard some deny applications randomly, meaning you pretty much check off all the boxes, but they still deny your application. And as beginners, we don't need more confusion. So now I pay attention to the affiliate support, payout transparency, approval process, resources that are already provided, and then, but most importantly, whether creators actually enjoy the partnership. For example, MailerLite approving me actually mattered emotionally because I aligned with what I was already building naturally. That feels way better than forcing random products into my content. The lesson here. And I think the biggest mistake beginners make is thinking affiliate marketing is about posting links everywhere. But really, it's more about trust, reliability, consistency, and helping others solve problems. People don't want to feel pressured constantly. They want guidance, clarity, recommendation that makes sense, and creators who feel real. So, if you're trying to pick your affiliate product right now, here's my advice. Don't start with the biggest commission, the flashiest product, or the loudest guru online. Start with something useful, beginner friendly, something you actually understand, and something you'd still talk about, even if affiliate links didn't exist. That's usually the better long-term play. And if you want to see beginner-friendly tools I'm personally using while building my online business, I've linked everything in the description below. And if this video helped you feel less overwhelmed about affiliate marketing, make sure you subscribe because I'm documenting this entire journey as I learn and build alongside you guys. I'll see you on